Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. So, today I am making Crock-Pot sloppy joes. So what I have in here is 2 pounds of hamburger. And you can use 2 pounds of any ground meat you want, does not matter. And then I turn the Crock-Pot on high, put a lid on it, and it'll take 2 or 3 hours in a Crock-Pot on high for it to be cooked, and then we'll add everything else. So we'll be back, you guys. Alright guys, it's been 2 hours, as you can see. My Crock-Pot was on top of my spoon. Okay, all the hamburger is nice and browned, so I'm gonna push this off to the side and then steam up the camera lens. Ha ha ha. Alright. And here I have 1/3 of a cup of the large green peppers, 1/3 of the cup of the large red peppers, and 1/3 of a cup of the Thrive Life onions. Then I'm just going to add them in, mix them all up, let it sit for a little while, and then add other ingredients.
Like a cookie.
No cookies.
Why? Cookies are totally yums.
Alright, now that my camera is no longer unfocused and the steam has all gone away and I've chased Mimi out of my kitchen, I've mixed up all the green peppers, red peppers, and onions. I'm going to put the lid back on it, turn it down to low, and let it sit for another couple of hours, and then we'll start adding all the other stuff. Alright, now I'm going to add most of a pint of homemade ketchup, about 1/4 of a bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce, or most of a pint of homemade barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and then let me grab the spices, guys. And then this is my grandma's recipe. She used to always make sloppy joes in the Crock-Pot. And she always used 3 simple ingredients: garlic, salt, and pepper, and you flavor them to taste, so to what you like. I always use a lot of garlic, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then we're just gonna let it sit and cook and stew on low for about another hour. Alright guys, we'll be back. And there we go, you guys. Sloppy Joe. And then we top it off with lettuce and pickles and cheese. And then tonight we're having family movie night, so we're having quote-unquote junk food. So, sloppy joes, several different types of chips, and then sour cream and salsa to dip them in. Alright guys, thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Go ahead, you can have one. And we'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye.